Hi, I'm Kate from KB Fitness and I'm a personal trainer. I've been using Myzone for the last 12 months since my PT course with Vector. I now have my own Myzone PT licence, so I can use it with my clients too. I use Myzone to accurately plan and track my clients' training, monitoring their heart rates. We can also communicate through the Myzone app. All of my clients can interact there and motivate each other. Since using Myzone, I've seen my clients engage more in their sessions. The colour-coded zones really motivates them and helps them see their own progress. I've also seen my client retention improve, which is great for my business. My clients love motivating each other, egging each other on, seeing how far they've come with the progress. My clients can have fun, but I can also see that they're tracking their own personal goals and keeping on target. I create monthly challenges with my clients and it helps to build a community among them. They're all competing against each other, but also supporting each other through the app. Another bonus of having a Myzone belt is my clients can also use it across any Myzone facility in the world, so they can track any of their workouts. It's just really fun and easy to use. You pop the belt on and then your tag comes on the screen and there you go.